Hi everyone, welcome back to Channeling Luxury. I am doing a fairly large Balmain spring summer and pre-collection try on. This is one of the pieces, one of my favorite pieces from the collection. This very faintly has the designer name here. Fits really well. This is a 38 and the signature button is on the shoulder. Perfect length to me. Pairing it with my Brunello jeans, also awesome with rose gold. Super bad hair day, so I apologize. I'm kind of a wreck today, but I just need to get things done. So let me just try on some pieces and see what you all think. So we'll just get started. All right, so my next piece, this is a size 40. It's 1450. It is a short sleeve top, very nicely fitted along the waistline. Gives you the great curves that you have. Just shows off what you already have. The reason I'm not picking this piece up is it's very tight for me in the neckline. If you watched my videos before, you know I hate that. And the spot that it hits on the arms, I find a little bit unflattering. So for me, this one is a no. But in terms of looks, I think it looks really cute. And if you didn't mind the choking feeling, I think it would be really cool. So look, I would give this a good solid 7. Wearability, I would definitely, for me, because of the neck, it would be a 2. But if it were not that, I would rank it much higher. And then the value, if I'm just looking at the top and the price versus other designers. So leaving other designers out of the equation, I would say it's a 5. A pretty straightforward top with a little bit of detail here. But given, if you were to take a look at Balmain and other designers like Missoni that I've been doing a lot of reviews on, compared to the alternatives that a lot of us are just getting, quite honestly, sick of some of the games and price increases and just kind of really scattered, unusual, weird designs. Then obviously the value of this one goes up considerably. So then I would rank it like a 7-8, but we can't do that. We have to evaluate them independently. So given that, I would rank it, 5-ish. The piece prior, the price on that I think was 13. For me, the wearability is really high, like 8-9. I think the look is the same, 8-9. Very simple, casual, easy to wear, day to night kind of piece. For me, the value, because I'm going to wear it often, would be a good solid 8. So that's what I would rank the white piece. So I'll try the next. All right, next piece. So admittedly, when I first saw this piece, I didn't even try it on. I just put it in the no way pile of things to not even bother looking at. Now that I try it on, I kind of like it. So what did I not like when I just saw it? I don't like hoodies. I like stuff on my freaking hair. I think it's really cute, actually, now that I kind of look at it in more detail. And I think the color is actually pretty awesome. So it may end up staying. I don't know. But again, it's tight in the neck. This whole season, like every designer I've been trying, they're making things too tight here. And my neck hasn't grown, I promise. To be honest, I even measured it over a period of 4 weeks. I'm like, is this me like gaining neck fat? It's not. So it's just the designers are just making things tight in the neck for some reason. But I wish this came in a non-hoodie version. I like where it falls. It's a little bit cropped, but not too cropped. It's $9.50, pricey for a hoodie. This is the only kind of display of the designer, which I like. I don't want it to be too much, like all over the place with hearts and stars and stuff, if you know what I mean. This is a medium. Actually fits me pretty well. It's a little on the loose baggy side, which I think is cool. I think I mentioned the price, $9.50. It's actually really soft and super comfortable, minus the freaking hoodie part. So I don't know. This is because I've tried these already, this is a double take for me. Just, I'll have to actually look at it again just because of this. I had ignored it. And yeah, it is kind of annoying. So, but that's just me. A lot of people won't care. I think it looks pretty cool. I love the color. I'll come in a little bit closer so you can see the color. So I have hazel eyes. They look green, yellow, brown, sometimes gray, and sometimes in very rare circumstances, blue. So sometimes this color will actually bring out the blue instead. Thank you, Daddy. And it's not doing that, but I do think it's a very nice neutral color for my particular skin tone. So I don't know, I may revisit this one. So looks to me, without the hoodie, it would be a 10, but with the hoodie, it's, maybe a 6. Wearability, I don't know, again, it comes back to the hoodie. So I guess I have to assess it with the hood since it has it. So for me, the wearability is going to be a 2 because I don't like this stuff. Value, it's an expensive hoodie. It feels high quality. It feels very soft inside. This is the inside fabric. And it feels not too weighty. Like it's not a winter piece, but it's not so light that you're going to be freezing if you wear it out and it's 60 degrees or something. I know. I know for those of you in other states, 60 degrees is really, really warm. So I guess the value for the price, you know, to me is about a 4 or 5. So, so one more last look. And again, I'll be doing a double take. So I'll try on the next piece. So this is a very long cardigan. You can probably see it in the mirror over here, how long it is. It's just a little bit above my knee. It's an extra small, so very oversized. Has the same feel as that blue hoodie. Feels really, really good on. I have to admit, when I first saw a long cardigan, I was thinking, crap, you gotta be kidding me. You know, probably another $3,000 cardigan that I'm just absolutely sick of from some designers that you know. And so it was $1,590. It is $1,590, which I was shocked. I'm like, okay, thank God. It's pretty bad when we say thank God that a cardigan is under $2,000 or $3,000. So, you know, again, it's the bias, right? From having tried on so many other designers. Has a really nice fleece inside, feels good. Pockets, very, very useful. Here's the button detail on the pocket, if you can see up there. Just stand up here. You know, for me, the only reason I wouldn't pick it up is it needs to be about maybe 7 inches shorter. I know this is the look. In fact, the Chanel blazer I tried on that I made a little reel of was also this long, and I did not pick it up because of the length of it. I thought it was just, I mean, I'm really into like the long look too, but this is too long, or I'm too short. I don't know. But here's a detail on it. Here's what it looks like from behind. Just a little bit of Balmain detail here. And again, for me, if it were just a little bit shorter, this would have been a win. So for me, the look of this, because of the length, is maybe a 3. If it were a little bit shorter, I would have given it a much higher number. Still dealing with the hair, sorry. Wearability, it's extremely comfortable, great pockets, great for travel. So maybe a good solid 7, 8. The value, because I'm biased, I think it would be a 7, 8. But again, that's just ridiculous bias from other designers. So there you go. So I'll try on the next one. All right, back. This is full on spring. I love the colors on this. I love the design. Check this out. Instead of the traditional Balmain buttons, they're using flowers. I think it's super cool, brilliant. Just a small little attention to detail. It's about 1,600. This is a 38. It's way too small for me. It's too tight in the neck, and I can't zip it in the back. Well, I could, but I would want to strangle myself. So I have asked to try another size, see if it fits any better. It is cropped, but I like the length. It falls just where our curves are. So we can get a nice silhouette of our body and still be able to wear something cropped. You know, it's a little difficult once we hit like 30s, 40s. It's a little difficult to decide to wear crop pieces or not. So it's all personal choice, but you know, I know that's been a topic of conversation on Quora and other sites. Like, at what point do you stop? I think it depends on your comfort, comfortability with your body, how secure you feel, you know, and various other things. So, in any case, I don't have an issue with it as long as it's not. I'm not going to wear something up to here. I've actually sold all those pieces to the Real. I know it's horrible. And by the way, watch them, because even the quotes that they're giving you, they are not listing it for. But if you fight them, you will get your money back. So this one, I think the look is a solid 10. I love this piece, like completely love it. It's just too small. Wearability for me is a 1 because it's just too tight. If it were not, I'll have to evaluate it then. It's not possible for me to know. The value, given the design, the look, the style, I would put this at a good solid 8 because I think it's really cute and it's something that I would be able to wear into lunch or evening without having a lot of fuss and just having it look cute. So I can show you the back, but there's really no point because it's totally unzipped at the moment. But it does have a zipper that goes from the waistline up to the neckline. So again, just come in a little bit closer. My concern is when I go bigger, it's going to get bigger here, which won't be good, but I just need it to be bigger here. So it may end up not working, but I hope it does. Fingers crossed. All right, there's another piece, size 38, one that I did not try. I just put it right back into the bag because it's not my style, but I'm just showing you what it is. So it has a lot of sequins on it. Size 38, it's about $14.50, I believe. It does have a matching skirt. For me, the look is a 1. I don't like this at all. I don't like the length, how it feels. It's just my personal preference. I don't like sequin stuff and, you know, just this whole look and like the leopard print and whatever. So for me, wearability is also a 1 because I'm not going to wear it. And then the value, you know, if we look at sequin pieces, from designers, you know, moderate to high-end luxury designers. The price is, I think, on point with what they're offering. So I think the value would be a good 7. Because I wouldn't wear it, it drops it a bit. But I wanted to show you one other piece. For those of you that don't like the blue hoodie, there is a black version. And it has a little bit, I guess, more to it in some sense, bigger components, bigger design. And this is a medium as well. It fits exactly the same as the blue. I just wanted to show it to you in case you don't like blue. I don't see the price, but I don't know why it would be any different than the blue one. So this is another piece in case you're interested. Also, for those of you, there is a pair of white jeans. I'm not trying them on. They're just really, really thick, so I'm just passing. So if you're interested in white jeans, kind of a wider fit, check them out. And there's also a pair of pants. For me, they're just a complete, like, I don't even want to try them on video, but for me, they're a no because of the style. But they're like a big print rose. Actually, hang on. All right, instead of just talking about the rosy stuff, let me just show you. This is a 38. It's called the crepe pant. This is where they put their signature, right? It's not overwhelming. Thank you for doing that, Balmain. Thank you for not putting your freaking logo all over everything. So I don't like the feel of these. They feel like kind of polyester-ish. I believe they're $28.50. I think they have potential to be cute on the right person. I think I'm just too short and my body doesn't quite wear this style very well. And also, you know, wearing anything through it, I think it's a little bit see-through. That's just my opinion. I think this will look awesome with the top for those of you that can pull it off. I just think you need to be taller than 5'4". So I haven't tried this one for the same reason, and but you can see it. So, you know, look on this one. I can't really tell because I haven't given it a fair chance. So I just want to show you a quick preview of what I found for spring. I did get a sweatshirt that did not have a hood. It's an off-white, a little bit longer with black print. It has a little bit too much Balmain on it, Balmain with some stars, but it's wearable enough because I do work from home. So I think I'll use it a lot, and the price point was pretty good. It was under $1,000, so I think for me that's a good one. Also, I don't have it here because I'm having them altered, but there's a pair of leggings. They're a medium. They run on the small side. Even the medium was a bit tight on me, and I haven't gained that much weight. So they have three of the traditional Balmain buttons down the side right here, and they're just black stretch. And the fabric is not optimal, honestly, but I like that they provide a little bit more elegance to a traditional legging. So it looks like we actually tried and didn't just pop on our gym clothes to go out, yet still has kind of that same gym clothes feel. I wish they would use fabric from like Vora or something, the super comfortable knit, and then add their buttons to it. That would be awesome, but we don't get to pick. So, but overall, I think Balmain did an awesome job with this particular preview of the collection. There are a bunch more pieces coming out, so I will be praying to the Balmain gods that I get an opportunity to try them and then share them all with you. So head to your local store. If you are in the Southern California region, there is a new store at South Coast Plaza. It's awesome, beautiful, and really nice people. And I am not paid to say that, and I am not given any special circumstances that would influence my thought process. So, and if I was, I would let you know, as you all know by now. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you again really soon. Take care.